The kickball tournament. Lucas was the best kickball player in third grade. He could kick harder, he could run faster, he could throw farther. Lucas was a great kickball player and he knew it. All the kids in third grade gathered on the playground for a kickball tournament. The kids had been playing all school year, and now it came down to one game. This game would determine the kickball champions. Alex walked up to the plate. It was his turn to kick. Lucas pitched the ball as fast as he could. Alex kicked with all his might, and the ball flew into the sidelines. "Foul ball, Alex! Get it straight next time!" Lucas shouted. Alex took a deep breath and walked back to home plate. He kicked 2 more times, and each time the ball flew into the sidelines. Alex was out. "Alex, you're terrible!" Lucas growled. Parker was up next. Lucas rolled the ball towards home plate. Parker kicked the ball and it flew high above Lucas's head. The crowd roared with excitement. Parker bolted towards first base. He was almost there when his sneaker flew off his foot. Parker tripped and landed hard on the pavement, only a few feet from first base. All of the other kids ran towards Parker except Lucas. "Parker tripped on his clown shoes," Lucas laughed. "Parker, that was the worst run in history." The children glared at Lucas as they helped Parker up. "Hey, Lucas, you're not funny," said Gavin. "If you're going to act like that, we won't play." Gavin and the rest of Lucas's teammates walked off the field. "Fine," Lucas barked. "I don't need you guys." Lucas turned to throw out the next pitch, but no one was there. Both teams had left the field. Lucas was standing alone on the pitcher's mound. "We will play if you stop being so mean to everyone," Alex explained. "Yeah," added Gavin. "You're taking all the fun out of the game." "All right, geez," Lucas agreed reluctantly. "Yep," Parker said as he took the ball from Lucas, "and it's my turn to pitch."